Introducing short sentences to kids is a great way to help them learn how to read and write. Short sentences are easy to understand and can help kids build their vocabulary and grammar skills. So let's begin. Bees buzz around the blooming flowers. Let's repeat, children. Bees buzz around the blooming flowers. The train travels fast along the tracks. Let's repeat, children. The train travels fast along the tracks. The stars twinkle in the dark night sky. Let's repeat. The stars twinkle in the dark night sky. A rainbow appears after the rain stops. Let's repeat. A rainbow appears after the rain stops. The grass is wet with morning dew. Let's repeat. The grass is wet with morning dew. I dream about traveling to faraway places. Let's repeat. I dream about traveling to faraway places. My mother bakes delicious chocolate cookies. Let's repeat. My mother bakes delicious chocolate cookies. We swim in the cool water of the lake. Let's repeat. We swim in the cool water of the lake. Birds build their nests in tall trees. Let's repeat. Birds build their nests in tall trees. The sun shines brightly in the sky. Let's repeat. The sun shines brightly in the sky. I paint colorful pictures during art class. Let's repeat. I paint colorful pictures during art class. A butterfly rests gently on the flower. Let's repeat. A butterfly rests gently on the flower. Good job, kids!